in the context in which it appears posits in second paragraph. Most nearly means if we identify in where posits exist in the passage, we can have it in this line. Choice B is correct because the passage says that idealism posits that only mental phenomena exist and there have been three major schools of thought. So the opinion given by idealism as one of the three majors suggests or assume the existence, fact, or truth of something as a basis for reasoning, discussion, or belief. Choice A, C, D, or E are wrong because they can have relevancy, but they do not have any specification to be a statement of true fact. Any opinion or declaration can be true or false. Any prediction can be wrong or right, and the promulgation can be railed or derailed. To postulate or posit is to assume a fact put forward as a basis of argument, and so choice B is the correct answer.